Hi everyone, today I'm experimenting and I'm making some General Tso Chinese food, General Tso Chicken, and I'm really excited about doing this today. My family loves Asian cuisine and Chinese food especially, and with this quarantine we're not getting as much as we usually do, so I wanted to make this tonight. And what I have here is some nice cut up chicken tenders. And then in this bowl, what I have is some cornstarch. Got right here. And some soy sauce. So I mixed some soy sauce into the cornstarch, right? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm basically going to batter them up with this mixture. See, it's pretty easy. They get some nice color, get some nice texture, and that's what's actually gonna make it really fry up really nicely in the frying pan. The last time I made this, I actually used some sesame oil in the frying pan, but this time I used some olive oil because I ran out of the sesame oil. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Mommy. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my first batch of chicken here frying up nicely on a nice low heat, medium heat. It'll take a few minutes to get them nice and cooked through on each side. And then we're going to fry up the second batch, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, as you can see, I've got my first batch of chicken cooked up. It doesn't have the General Tso sauce yet, but it is ready to go. And I've got my second batch in the frying pan. Now don't worry about if the cornstarch soy sauce mixture gets hard. Just keep, making it softer with your hands. Kind of get your hands in there and make sure that you are tossing that chicken in that combination. But don't worry if there are little pieces of cornstarch soy sauce mixture on that chicken. Okay, that's actually going to make it really, really good and full of goodness. Okay, I'll be back with you shortly. So now all that I did was I put all the chicken back together in one pan because the chicken was done. And then I added a jar of this organic Asian fusion spicy General Tso sauce. And I'm letting it all cook through a little bit, just so like all those flavors really marinate. And in about a minute or two, I'm just going to take it off the heat. Just see how gorgeous that all is. It's delicious, I promise you. We're going to serve it up with a little stir-fried rice. I'll show you that recipe another night. Thank you.